All right. Here's another user review. This is the Milton air chuck. Got it at my local tool crib. It's got a lot of adjustments. I don't know what this does. I think it has a regulator, max deal. 360-degree display, lit, backlit, and then multiple units, PSI, bar, whatever, all that other stuff. This dual mode chuck itself. I bought some pneumatic connections, and of course they're proprietary, so I ended up changing some of my other stuff. But anyhow, so it fills the tire, does a good job of it. Let's see if I can record myself filling the tire. Okay, there it is. 33.8, 34.7, 35.0, 35.6. Okay, all right. So I know I am running 2 pounds strong on the car, but that's what I do. And now I'm just looking for the valve cover. Well, anyways, that's the Milton air chuck. I'll show you the wrapper. There it is, the Milton Pro. A couple directions on here. Pretty easy. Squeeze the trigger, look at the numbers. Okay, have a good night.